Have you ever tried to convey information to someone that can't fit in a Twitter message? In that case, you need to have some skills in composition. You have to decide what is the main point that you want people to take away. Once you've prioritized your thoughts, you have to prioritize your page visually. There are some tools you can use to get your main point across quickly. One is manipulating the scale of the words. So in a very obvious sense, if you make something bigger, it stands out from what's surrounding it and emphasizes that point. Think of a busy newspaper page where everything is the same size type. You look at the page and you can't pick anything out. You don't know what's important on the page. And then one advertisement on that page has white space around it. That's the thing that you're going to read first, and that's going to be the most important part of that page for you. And a third tool you can use is contrast. The most obvious use of contrast is using a bold typeface if the rest of your type is normal weight. You then have to organize the ideas that support this statement, and you do that by linking ideas together that have some kind of relationship to each other. If you have a caption and a photo and you place them in proximity to each other, people connect one with the other. If you have a lot of small square photos on a page, people will assume that they either show similar types of information or have a similar level of importance in the context of your information. The last thing I'd like you to consider is how to make it easy on the reader. Too wide a column is very difficult for readers to track across. Another way to help the reader is to put extra line space between your lines. And that's because in order to read efficiently, our eyes have to track horizontally. Fonts should be changed in order to convey a level of information. In other words, they help the organization of your information, but they shouldn't be changed just for the sake of variety or because you feel a particular font creates a certain mood. That actually will add noise to your document rather than real information. This may seem like a very complex process as we speak about it, but remember that we take most of the clues in our world visually. And once you use these layout techniques on your page, it will seem very easy to communicate the way you want to.